2025 Porsche Cayenne S. Alright, let's cut the crap. The Porsche Cayenne, it's always been faking it. A wolf in sheep's clothing. But for 2025, this new Cayenne S, it's done pretending. This thing has a 911's heart beating under the hood. But it can still haul your kids and your groceries without breaking a sweat. But what if I told you this minivan alternative doesn't just beat other luxury SUVs, it absolutely murders actual sports cars. And it does it with one secret weapon nobody's even mentioning. So, is the 2025 Cayenne S the ultimate daily driver? Or did Porsche just create a monster? Stick around. You are not gonna believe this. So what is this thing? This is the 2025 Cayenne S. To get why this update is a total game changer, you gotta rewind the tape. 20 years ago, Porsche, the 911 guys, dropped an SUV. The purists lost their minds. But guess what? It was a genius power move. The Cayenne literally saved the company, bankrolling all those insane sports cars and proving you could have your cake and eat it too. Which brings us to this. It's not a full redesign, but Porsche went ham on the updates. We're talking a brand new engine, a tech revolution inside, and a chassis that's sharper than ever. In a world stuffed with BMW X5 M60s and Mercedes-AMG GLE 53s, the Cayenne S has always been the king of the hill. But now, Porsche isn't just defending the throne, they're wiping the floor with the competition. For the next few minutes, we're tearing into every single change. Does the new powertrain slap? Is the interior tech a win or a massive L? And the big question, does the 2025 Cayenne S still wear the crown? Let's roll. Let's start with the main event, the thing that got the glow up. The old twin-turbo V6, gone, sent to the shadow realm. In the 2025 Cayenne S, you get a monstrous, brand spanking new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, 468 horsepower. And dude, the vibe is totally different. Listen to that. That's not a request, it's a demand. The power isn't just strong, it's brutally smooth. We're talking 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, but it's the way it pulls that's just stupid. It feels effortless, like this thing is just waking up when other cars are gasping for air. But Porsche knows you can't just have a bazooka without a sniper scope. That's where the standard active suspension and the optional rear axle steering come in. On a twisty road, this 5,000-pound beast thinks it's a Miata. Body roll? Barely. The steering talks to you. And with the rear wheels helping out, it's so nimble it'll make you forget you're in an SUV. It corners so hard it makes you question if you ever need a sports car again. For real. Now, step inside. Porsche finally fixed the one thing that was getting old, the tech. All those physical buttons? History. Replaced by this sleek, glossy black panel with haptic feedback. It looks insane. The star of the show is this all-new curved 12.6-inch screen for the driver and this massive, lightning-fast 12.3-inch center screen. It's a giant leap. Now, real talk, losing the physical climate buttons? It looks clean, but it's a pain in the butt to use while you're driving. The rest of the interior? Pure money. You're swimming in soft-touch materials, optional leather that's just chef's kiss. But check this out, this glossy black center console. It's a fingerprint and dust magnet. This cabin makes you feel like $1 million, but you better keep a microfiber cloth in the glove box at all times. So, with all this insane power and tech, there's gotta be a catch, right? Of course there is. And this next part is the most important thing you'll hear. because it decides if this absolute weapon is actually worth your cold, hard cash. So, after living with it, what's the final word on the 2025 Porsche Cayenne S? It's not even a question. This isn't just the best all-around performance SUV you can buy. It might be the most complete vehicle, period. Full stop. Let's be 100% clear. The pros are absolutely bonkers. That new V8 is a masterpiece. The handling spits in the face of physics. The tech is finally modern. The cons? Yeah, they exist. You gotta deal with that glossy fingerprint hell and gas mileage that's, let's call it, smiles per gallon. So who's this for? If you need one vehicle to do it all, soccer practice, cross-country road trip, and your personal track day weapon, the Cayenne S is your answer. But if you're looking for a soft, cushy ride, or you're worried about your carbon footprint, you're in the wrong place, my friend. In the age of EVs, the Cayenne S is a screaming, tire-smoking middle finger to the norm. It's the benchmark. Everyone else is playing for second place. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne S is proof. You don't have to choose between being a grown-up and having fun. You can absolutely have it all. But I want to hear from you. Does this new V8 justify dumping a stack of cash? Or are the BMW and Mercedes rivals the smarter move now? Drop your hot take in the comments. I read every single one. If this review gave you the info you needed, do me a solid, smash that like button, and hit subscribe for more no BS car reviews. Thanks for watching. Peace.